Hey everyone, welcome back to DrewTech. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a project in Claude AI. If you want to archive a project in Claude AI, so the option may depend on the current Claude interface. So in general, open Claude and sign in to your account. In the left sidebar, find projects and click on it. So once you're on the project section, so locate the project you want to archive. So hover over to that project. Next, click the three dots next to the project name. Now look for archive or archive project from the options. So you have four options here. Look for archive and click on it.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So confirm the action if prompted, and that's it. If you don't see an archive option, Claude may not currently support archiving projects in your version of the interface. So in that case, you may only have the options such as rename, delete, or manage the project. So again, just hover over to that project and click the three dots next to its name and tap archive. Tap archive again to confirm the action. And that's it. So that's how you can archive a project in Claude AI. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.